How to handle ride cancellations on Ola. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to handle your ride cancellations on Ola application. So to handle Ola ride cancellation, you need to first identify who canceled the ride, you or the driver, to understand the implications and potential compensation or refund process. And if the driver cancels, you might be eligible for a refund or compensation according to the specific government policy and Ola's term, which can be processed through application. And if you cancel, you will likely incur a cancellation charge, and your refund options will depend on the application's policy itself, and you can usually raise a complaint within the Ola app to resolve any issues related to the cancellation. And if the driver cancels the ride, you can also actually raise a complaint if you don't receive the expected compensation or have any issues. You usually initiate a complaint with the Ola app and to resolve the problem. And if you're unsure about anything regarding cancellation, you can still contact the Ola customer support by heading over to the customer support section, or simply searching for the Ola customer support on the contact section or any of your browser, and simply reach out and tell your queries to them. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.